Roushe Cobra 2.3. Running like a clock. Great little engine. Running a 20x8 prop. Hello, freedom-loving Americans, freedom-loving patriots around the world. Look up, just for giggles, the Congressional Act of 1871. This is a Roushe Cobra 2.3 40cc engine. It's a Zenoah. It's one of the first Zenoahs that were imported. I used to have it in a quarter scale Great Lakes. Yes, a quarter scale Great Lakes. This is an old Ckark Airscrew 20x8. It was a very good prop on the plane. Yes, and I've been running this. I haven't run it in years. It's got it out. Rebuilt the carburetor, put new gaskets in it. Yep. Oops. Okay, you got it. As you can see, it hand starts very good. It's a very well-mannered engine. Have a great day, freedom-loving patriots around the world. Bye-bye.